Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to set up doctor availability in OpenEMR, search for available doctors, and create appointments seamlessly. If you're managing a medical practice or clinic, these tools will save you time and help your practice run more efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with setting up doctor availability. In the calendar screen, click on any time slot to open Add Appointment window. In the window, please select the Provider tab at the top. Select the category as an office, to create a time for the provider. And in the Provider drop-down, make sure to select the right provider name for whom we are creating the calendar availability event. Click Save to create the event. Similarly, we need to create an out event by selecting Out of Office category and Lunch event by selecting Lunch category with the duration is 30 minutes or 60 minutes. This will create the provider's complete day availability slots. We can now make all these events as repeated events also. Say if we want to make these events to be available daily until next week, we can do that by selecting Repeats checkbox and every day in the drop-down, or we can also put any days. We need to mention until date, to mention till which date this event should be repeatedly created. Now that we've set up the availability, let's move on to creating appointment for patient and also searching for an available doctor. On the calendar screen, click on any slot to open same Add Appointment window. This time be on the Patients tab at the top. Select the patient name and select the provider's name and Provider drop-down, and then hit Find Available button at the bottom. This will show you all available slots of this doctor. You can select any slot. After this, you can proceed to create an appointment and save it. That's it. The appointment has been successfully created, and you can now view it directly in the doctor's calendar. Now let's assume the patient arrives at the clinic on the scheduled date and time. Now the front office person or an admin person can edit the appointment and make the status as it arrived. This means the patient has arrived. When you go ahead and update the appointment, an encounter will be created automatically for that patient for that day. Where a doctor can open the patient profile and select the created encounter and go ahead with his visit documentation. So, there you have it. That's how you set up doctor availability, search for available time slots, and create appointments in OpenEMR. It's a straightforward process that can help streamline your practice and improve scheduling efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more OpenEMR tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.